Hey everybody, welcome back to Living Between Paychecks Kitchen. I'm Oz. I'd have to do this without Jack and Letty because, I mean, they wouldn't let me do brunch, right? So hipster crap like this, they wouldn't let me get done. So I'm going to do something that I would never do, mostly because I have to eat it myself. But we're going to make avocado toast. Before we get into it, be sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the little bell, man. And thank you very much for doing all that stuff. We very much appreciate it. And let's just jump into this hipster stuff. Yeah, avocado toast. Really super simple. You're going to need some bread for toast, right? So I got bread, and I still got an English muffin, so I'm going to try it on the toasted English muffin, just because I got one left over. Right. You're going to need an avocado, nice and dark color, and it's got a little knobbly thing there, nice and ripe. You're going to get a lime or a lemon if you want it. I don't use it, but I got salt and garlic powder, because I totally add those to M-Nos. Anyway, you're going to need a toaster. This is my Darth Vader toaster. Get the bread, kind of make it fit. My bread got a little smushed on the ride home, so kind of got to make it fit. So don't use a fork for that. Now you're gonna need a bowl and a knife, right? Nice sharp knife, and a spoon. Probably one of those long spoons that you accidentally stole from the restaurant when you took your tea home. Go ahead and just split the avocado. We've done this before when we did the guacamole. Now this one just came apart. I've never had it do that before. And then usually you gotta like cut the seed and pop it out, but it just came out, man. So that was super nifty. It's completely ripe, so it's soft, but not brown and not completely squishy. Now use your oversized tea thing and just run it around the skin and it'll pop right out. Right? And then make sure you get all the rest of it. You want to get all that good aquafadad out of there and get rid of that skin. Do the same thing the other side, man. I did one avocado here. It was good enough for a good covering of 2 slices of toast and 2 slices of English muffin. This is where you add your seasoning if you're going to use it, or add your lime if you want it. I'm not a giant fan. I put my salt here. Now, I mean, it's this close to being guacamole, man. I want to make guacamole toast because this is Texas and that's what I mean. Now you got to squish it and mush it around, and spoons don't do this really well. Sorry, my big stupid hands in the way. Fork is so much better. Watch, just bloop, right through, just squish. Now, squish it in there. Now, you got your salt and your garlic pepper on it right now, so when you're squishing it and mushing it up, you're stirring it around, right? So you're getting all that flavor all over everything, so you don't just get a wad of garlic powder or a wad of salt in your face. And that's perfect. All right, that's good. Boom! So, you got your toast out, right, got your Star Wars side down. And the bread fits together because weird design, whatever, and then just pile it on here. Just smush it flat. I've seen some where it's just piled up really tall in the middle, so it's just plain toast all the way around the edges and then just avocado in the middle, and I'm just not a fan of that, man. So I take mash it on there, but I do it really thick, like you're doing like the jam part of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? You want a lot of that. Now, because it's Texas and because it's Jack, I added a little bit of chili powder to that one. And now I told you I was going to do the English muffin one. I toasted this one the same thing. Put it on my good pirate plate right here. Ow! Okay, yeah, it was still hot. I burnt the crap out of myself with that one. So go ahead and get that and just scrape the last of it out there. Make sure you get every bit of this because you don't want to waste any of that avocado. It's excellent. It tastes great. It's high protein, whatever. Everybody loves this kind of stuff. I don't like people give it a hard time other than you're eating toast with avocado on it. This one I put some Slap Your Mama on it or some Tony Sastri's, which is perfect because Texas. This is outstanding. This was like a full breakfast, man. Like, this is filling as hell and it's great. And like the most expensive part was avocado, which is like 30 something cents. This is an outstanding thing. I don't see why I give such a hard time. There you have it. It's that simple. It is very easy, man. I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all do something different, man, I really want to make the guacamole toast. It just makes me think of that immediately. So if y'all do anything different or y'all have any other ideas, man, we might revisit it. Put it down in the comments. Let us know. We'll check it out and try it out again. Or avocado toast. That's fancy. Until then, you can catch us out on Instagram at Living Between, or Facebook, Pinterest, or Patreon at Living Between Paychecks Kitchen, or you can find us here on YouTube. We're here all the time, but we upload on Tuesdays and Fridays. We're trying to do our best during the quarantine thing. This is the Pandemic Pantry Fortune. We're doing it at my place. And we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.